We are trying to improve not just the pipeline for STEM for students of color, but we're trying to improve the ecosystem. And the thing about an ecosystem is it's something that has so many interactions that are so important.
All right, Vanilla, you cited 17 digits of pi.
And instead of trying to isolate one thing or another to try and see how things interconnect, as well as not being overwhelmed by that. One thing we chose to do was to try and do Pi Day, since we have some connections with some Boston public schools.
I think one of the important things that I saw today, we had a 7th grader, and she was memorizing the digits of pi, and she had memorized 156 digits, but she was like, I didn't have time to practice. I could have done more.
It was very exciting for me. I didn't expect for me to get that as much as I did last year, especially because I went from 6th grade only getting like 10 to 20, all the way to 7th grade getting 115, all the way to 8th grade, which got me to 215, which I'm very proud of myself, especially because I can remember so much, knowing that just because the more and more I keep trying and trying and trying, which only took me at least like a good 2 to 3 days to remember more than what I used to, it just means that I could do anything, and I just I just have to keep going and not giving up.
We were told we were doing a pie contest, and I wanted to see if I would win. I got a lot of digits. I don't remember, but I won. I got to pie a teacher in the face this year. I wanted to do it to see how much I improved, and I got 2nd place, so I'm proud of that.
And I think that's the start. When you begin to see yourself differently, you can then move toward, there's that internal motivation to say, okay, well, maybe I can take some risk, and maybe I can try something that I'm not comfortable with that goes beyond, STEM or Pi Day, but in life. And if they have that mindset that I'm willing to take risks, I'm willing to challenge myself to do something beyond what I thought I was capable of doing, that's key for being excellent or excelling in anything that they do.
74944, 59230. That's all I know.
Okay, that's 66.
God.
65, 35, 89, 79, 32, 38, 46, 26, 43, 3. That's it.
All right, good. I like her strategy. You see her strategy, guys? Right? Just like math, there's different ways to get to it. You see how she doubled up the numbers? See that?
We often think of the ecosystem as like the curriculum, but it also includes people's motivation, their encouragement, how they see themselves, dealing with things like stereotype threat. And those things ended up impacting me in ways in which led me to MIT and to where I am today, but also to try and do the same for others.
It's like, we just feel good to win,
But I would encourage all the schools to get involved, because they're fun activities. When you see STEM as fun, you're not afraid of it. You're not trying to avoid it or get away from it and run away from it. And one of the things that these Pi Day activity does is just, it makes it fun, and things that they can get excited about and explore outside of this day.